everyone, welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Carly.
And I'm Becky, and today we are making mermaid hot chocolate from the current issue of Girl Talk, which is on sale now. So first of all, you want to take your mug/glass, whatever you want.
Groovy glass.
And you're going to fill it to slightly just under the mark of where you want it.
With
milk.
Right, okay. So pour it in there. Is that enough? Keep going?
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, and then you're going to want to pour this into a microwavable bowl.
Cool.
Okay, right. Here we go.
Now spilling it everywhere.
Lovely. And then you are going to want to add 50 grams of white chocolate. So we've measured this out earlier. Very prepared.
Prepared for once. I don't know why I'm doing it once at a time. Let's just chuck it all in.
Lovely. And then you are going to add how much vanilla extract? 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
I would need a teaspoon.
You would need
one
a
over
teaspoon. There you go.
1 teaspoon.
Shall I do it over
Ooh, smells nice. Right.
Ooh. I think that counts. I think that's all right.
Yeah, should I do?
I think that's okay.
Add a drop more.
Okay, now we are going to want to add our food colouring. So because this is mermaidy, we're going to go with blue.
Ooh.
But we know that this colour is quite strong. So like 1 tiny drop should be enough. Tell you what, why don't we put a tiny bit on the end of the spoon? There we go.
Tips and tricks.
Okay, do you want to mix that together?
Okay, I will. Ooh. Ooh.
That's nice, isn't it? I think that's quite a nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah?
Yeah, keep going, so I think there's more on the spoon.
More on the end of the spoon. Dib dab. Are we good?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Mix, mix, mix.
Okay, so
where are we putting this? Out of the way, because
out
now
the way.
I've got colouring on it.
Okay, so this is what we're going to put in the microwave, but first we want to prepare our glass because we're going to make it look a little bit special. You ready? Okay, so what we want to do is grab a little bowl. This will do. And then we're going to make quite a thick icing sugar mix. Is that all right?
So tell me when to start.
Keep going, keep going. So next we need 1 teaspoon of water.
Yep.
Okay, and just mix that in. Okay, let's see how thick that goes.
Is that enough?
I think we're going to need quite a bit more icing sugar actually, because basically you want to be able to dip the whole of the top of your mug in this, so you need to have a good, quite thick level at the bottom.
So more
I think
icing
way more,
and more water.
Way more. More. Okay, enough.
Okay. Right, how much water now?
Should we go for another 2? Okay. So if in doubt, you kind of want it a little bit thicker because you don't want it to kind of drip down the side of your glass when it's setting.
So we're going for thick icing.
Let's add the gel and see how we go. So again, you're going to want the tiniest drop. Okay. That's good. It's looking like a wave breaking now.
Ooh. Cool. I think we're...
Okay. So we want to spread that out so it's nice and thick on the bottom. Perfect. So the next thing, you want to take your glass and turn it upside down, and then you want to dip it in your icing and kind of swirl it around so that you get a good coating of about 1 centimetre down on the outside of the rim of your glass.
Like keep twisting it?
Yeah, that's a good way to make it even. It's good to angle it because sometimes you get more on the inside than the outside.
A little bit. That's good, right?
Okay, so next we are going to need a bowl. And what we're going to do is we are going to cover the outside in these lovely little mermaid sprinkles, which are awesome. They're so pretty. Okay, so should I hold the glass like this, and then do you want to pour sprinkles on? And then I'll twist it.
On.
Just pour it on.
Oops.
So it's a little bit messy, so you're definitely going to want to use that bowl. Yeah, that's lovely, isn't it? And then you can just kind of fill in any gaps. Okay, now do we want to pop this in the fridge?
Yeah.
Because you want the icing to set before you drink your hot chocolate. Okay, and now you're going to want to microwave your hot chocolate mix.
Right.
Because white chocolate has a very low burning point, you're going to want to make sure you stir every 10 to 15 seconds and do it on a low setting.
I can do that.
Yeah, okay. There we go.
Thank you very much. Let's go to the microwave.
Hey.
And it's ready and
Look at
melted.
Okay.
It might look a bit green on the top, but that's just the vanilla essence. So you just stir that in. And
Very nice.
blue again.
Okay, so now we're going to want to pour it into a measuring jug.
Okay. It's hot, be careful. Right. Maybe angle it.
Oh, look at that teamwork.
Teamwork is the
Dream work. Only a tiny bit of spilling. Okay, and now we're going to
little bit spilled.
pour that back into our glass.
Right. You can tell me when to stop.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Keep going.
Keep going.
I think to about there. Perfect. Okay, now we are going to top that with our whipped cream.
Right.
Okay, as much as you like. Oh, look at that. Okay, and now again we're just going to top it with our rainbow mermaid sprinkles. And tell you what, you do that, I'll add a couple of marshmallows around.
Ooh.
Should
So is it okay to get messy again?
Yeah.
Sprinkle. Oh no, the cream.
Look at that.
I've made it too heavy, it's falling.
That just means you're gonna have to drink it quickly. Oh, I love that. Okay, and that is how you make mermaid hot chocolate. You can find this recipe and loads more in the current issue of Girl Talk magazine, which is on sale now.
Go get it. Cool.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Let us know how you get on in the comments. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.